You may have rows or columns in your workbook that are meant to be consistent formulas. This could be where you've entered a formula once and then dragged it across or down a number of cells.
For example, let's say we had our projected sales and an expected margin of 75% for the next 6 months, and all we wanted to know is the expected profit, which is the sales times the expected margin. And we would just take this formula and drag it across, or copy and paste it across. Here I'm going to use Control R to fill right. And this is meant to be a consistent formula. Now, if you've got a long row of data, it can sometimes be difficult to see where someone has gone over and put a hard-coded value. And this clearly isn't working with the above two numbers. So you can check rows of data for any inconsistent formulas by using the shortcut Control \, and it's going to take you to where that error was. And if here was another error, or sorry, not error, but inconsistent formula, we press it again, and it's going to take us to that second one. So you can kind of just traverse through that whole row and find where they are, and go and replace all of the ones that you find. Here we've got a consistent formula block because all it's doing is referencing the cells above it, and it really is just this one, copy and pasted to the whole block. You can check down a column for any inconsistent formulas using that same shortcut, Control \. And you can check a whole calculation block with the shortcut Control Shift. Let's see if we can find one. If someone had mistakenly typed something in there, Control Shift \, it's taken us right there to go correct.